Sa ibang balita, tiniyak ng pamahalaan na patuloy itong kumikilos upang maibsan ang problema ng publiko kaugnay ng pagtaas sa presyo ng kuryente. Samantala, ipinaubaya na ng palasyo sa mga mambabatas ang pag-amyenda sa Electric Power Industry Reform Act o EPIRA Law. Si Rocky Ignacio ang ating tagapagbalita.
Ang Malacanang ang pagkilos ng pamahalaan para maibsan ang pahirap sa taong bayan ng pagtataas sa singil ng kuryente dahil sa pagkumpuni ng nasirang transmission tower ng Bagyong Yolanda, pati na ipatutupad ng maintenance ng Malampaya. Nauna nang inatasan ni Pangulong Aquino si Energy Secretary Jericho Petilla na suriin ang basihan ng dagdag sa singil at ang report ng pagkakaroon umano ng sabwatan sa usapin.
You know, the investigation is very important for us to determine because if a situation similar to what's happening right now do come out with a proof of collusion, then we'll be able to necessarily make the corrections. So that's very, very important for us. And to also pinpoint if any liability should be focused on anyone. And in that reason, so that we can make corrective actions. So yes, we are doing a number of measures to make sure that similar situations do not occur, or if to determine first if there was collusion.
Nauna na ginitang Pangulo na walang poder ang palasyo sa rate hike dahil independent ang Energy Regulatory Commission. Sagot na rin ito ng Malacanang sa pahayag umano ni Senator Antonio Trillanes na dapat magalit na ang taong bayan dahil sa singil sa kuryente.
Senator Trillanes should look into, should not be so hasty in making general statements. I think he should appreciate the fact that this government has managed to keep prices down, has managed to keep our prices within inflation, and I think that he should review that. He should review the prices based on. We also do have monitoring of prices on a weekly basis from DTI. So, don't make general statements to that effect. Give the government credit where it is due.
Samantala, pinaubayan naman ng Malacanang sa mga mambabatas na posibleng pag-amyenda sa Electric Power Industry Reform Act o EPIRA.
I think the lawmakers are responsible enough to be sensitive to the concerns of the public. So if it's within their jurisdiction to make any effect, as we do in the executive branch, we investigate. In their role as lawmakers, they might want to introduce any amendments. It is within their right to do so. So we do what we have to do.
Sa interview ng media sa Pangulo sa Japan, sinabi nito na ikinukonsidera ng pamahalaan ang paggamit ng President Social Fund sa rehabilitasyon ng mga nasirang transmission towers dahil sa Super Typhoon Yolanda. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.